Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth reviews of tools and supplies that make life easier, more creative, and more efficient. Today, we're diving into the best photo corners self-adhesive archival product out there, the Lineco acid-free archival polypropylene mounting corners. If you're an artist, photographer, scrapbooker, or anyone preserving delicate paper materials, this one's for you. Let's start with what exactly this product is. The Lineco mounting corners come in a pack of 256 and are made of clear, archival quality polypropylene. Each corner measures 1.25 inches, giving you enough surface area to secure even large or heavy pieces without damaging them. These are self-adhesive and pressure sensitive, which means no messy glue, no weighting, and absolutely no yellowing over time. They're proudly made in the USA and offer museum-quality preservation for your artwork, photos, documents, or certificates. Imagine trying to frame a limited edition print or an old family photo. Using tape, glue, or pins risks irreversible damage. That's where these corners come in. They let you mount your work securely without ever touching the artwork surface itself. That's a game changer for collectors, conservators, or anyone working on a portfolio. Plus, their acid-free composition ensures that your items won't degrade over time. Whether you're showcasing a diploma or building a scrapbook, these corners protect your memories while letting them shine. One of the standout features of the Lineco mounting corners is how easy they're to use. You just peel, stick, and slide your document into place. It's that simple. You don't need any special tools or technical skills. These corners are also crystal clear, so they won't distract from your visual presentation. The adhesive is pressure sensitive, meaning you just press it into place, no heat or moisture required. Whether you're a professional or a DIY hobbyist, these make the whole mounting process quick, clean, and frustration-free. Let's talk design and material. These mounting corners are made from durable polypropylene, a plastic that is both archival and rigid enough to support heavier papers or mounted items. The construction is precise, sharp 90-degree corners that fit snugly without curling or slipping. And thanks to the acrylic adhesive, you won't have to worry about yellowing, cracking, or loosening over time. Lineco's reputation in the archival supply world backs up the build quality here. You're getting a product that's trusted in galleries, libraries, and professional studios. This product is ideal for a wide range of users. If you're a photographer who delivers mounted prints, a museum intern handling fragile documents, or a student preparing a portfolio, you'll find these corners invaluable. Teachers, parents working on memory books, or crafters creating handmade gifts, this is the kind of supply that adds polish and professionalism to your projects while keeping them safe for the long haul. To wrap things up, the Lineco acid-free archival mounting corners are a simple but powerful tool to keep your artwork and memories protected, all while looking great. They're easy to use, reliable, and built with long-term preservation in mind. If you're serious about quality and care, this is a product you'll want in your toolkit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a deep dive on tools that matter. Drop your questions in the comments, and let us know what you want us to review next. See you in the next one.